Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm very excited to do an unboxing of the 5090 GPU, which I was able to buy from the local micro center. This model is from Asus Astral 5090. Wow, let's look at the box. I think it's truly amazing. So let's open it now. There is another box inside and you can open it easily. It's similar to a shoe box. After opening it, we can see there is another box, a very small box. It might contain some of the instructions or some other things there. And underneath it, wow, hello 5090, welcome. It looks gorgeous. There is plastic around it, feels very shiny. I cannot lift it one hand. Let's first take a look at what's inside the small box. There is another box. Inside it, I think there are several items. Let's take a look at them. There is one ruler, looks very sophisticated. Here is a very small plastic GPU, looks quite funny. It has the brand name and 3 fans. The fans can even spin. The next thing, I think it is a magnet. The plastic bag can be moved easily, just lift it. And now we have our brand new GPU 5090, the new flagship GPU from Nvidia. Let's take a look at the front side. There are 3 fans. Looking from the side, it has a really big cooler. And this is the back side. There is some plastic protection cover. 1, 2, 3. And on the back there is another fan. So there are 4 of them. Next, let's do a comparison of the size between the 5090 and the 3060 GPU. The 3060 is a gigabyte 3060. Wow, I feel like the 5090 is a giant, as you can see here. Let's do another comparison between 3080 and the 5090. 3080 is quite a big GPU, but compared to 5090, it's about 1 inch shorter. Alright, so I think that's the unboxing of 5090. I cannot wait to try it on my machine and see how the performance will be. Please subscribe to my channel for the future contents. Thank you for your support. Bye.